Okay. Okay. So in the large intestine, only the remaining water or the mineral salts or the vitamins will be absorbed. The major of the water is absorbed into the villi by osmosis, and the mineral salts and vitamins by the diffusion into the villi. But and after the digestion, whatever the food which was left behind on which the enzyme did not work is actually undigested food. All right, undigested food on which the enzyme has not worked. It is not simplified into the smaller substances. Okay. So now in the undigested food, if there is any water remaining which can be reabsorbed, which can be absorbed. Okay, so the large intestine is going to do that. It will absorb that remaining water, the remaining vitamins or remaining minerals. Okay, and whatever is the waste left behind now is known as feces, and that feces will be stored into the rectum, and when you have a need it will be adjusted out through the anus. Adjusted, not excreted, adjusted. Okay, adjusted. Adjustion and excretion are two different things. Adjustion means is the simple removal of the waste on which and no chemical action occurred. Excretion is something on which the chemical action occurred, like urine. Urine is excretory product. Urine is removed by excretion. Feces is removed by egestion. Why urine is removed by excretion? Why I'm calling it a different name? Because it was formed by the breaking down of the amino acid. There was some chemical process occurred. So that urea is toxic material which was formed after the chemical process. That's why the process name excretion. But here, the food which was not digested, no enzyme activity occurred on it, no chemical digestion occurred on it. Okay, that remaining part, which was remaining solid, semi-solid part, will remove out. That is known as egestion. This is adjusted. Okay, so egestion means undigested or unabsorbed passes food passes into the large intestine, and the feces move through the colon. Okay, and now that feces would also have some cellulose in it, because you know that cellulose, that fiber, that roughage was not absorbed, right? It was indigestible, and it will become a part of the feces and it is removed out. Okay, clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
All right, so finally we are done with this, and in the end you can see the whole summary, okay, of all the parts along with this function and what is happening, okay. So I want you to go through this, and this is how we have ended our chapter.